In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add interactive maps to Google Sheets. If you've ever wondered how to visualize geographical data directly within your spreadsheet, you're in the right place. Whether you're presenting data on global populations, sales regions, or any other geographic-based information, interactive maps can bring your data to life and make it much more engaging and understandable. Let's say you have a list of 50 countries along with their populations, and you want to convert this data into an interactive map. First, you need to ensure your data is properly organized in your Google Sheet, with one column dedicated to country names and another to their corresponding populations. Once your data is organized, you'll want to highlight or select all of it. To do this, click and drag your cursor over the entire range of your data, ensuring you capture all the relevant information. Now that your data is selected, navigate to the top menu bar of your Google Sheets interface. Find and click on the Insert menu. From the drop-down options that appear, choose Chart. This action will open the chart editor on the right side of your screen. You'll see that under Chart Editor, there's a section for chart types. Your goal here is to adjust these settings to create an interactive map. Within Chart Editor, you'll see a default chart type displayed. Click on this, and you'll be provided with a list of different chart options. Scroll through these options until you find Map. Select this chart type, as it's crucial for transforming your data into an interactive geographical representation. To further customize your map, click on the Customize tab within the chart editor. Here, you'll find a section labeled Geo. This is where you can select the colors you'd like to apply to your map, giving it a personalized touch. Colors can be a powerful tool to convey different ranges or significance of data, so feel free to adjust them to best fit the storytelling aspect of your chart. Moreover, if you're only interested in visualizing data for specific regions rather than the entire world, the Geo section allows you to specify which regions you'd like to include on your map. This can help you narrow down your focus and make your chart more relevant to the specific analysis you're conducting. With these steps completed, your interactive map should be ready to go. Remember, this map is not just static, it's interactive. This means you can click on different regions to gain more insights into your data. Before wrapping up, always take a moment to hover over your map and ensure everything is functioning as intended. This step will allow you to confirm that your data is displayed correctly and that the interactive features are working smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully added an interactive map to your Google Sheet, making your geographical data far more accessible and visually appealing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow.